this is Avni. Welcome to very exciting video of WizBot Maxx. Do you know WizBot is following this road automatically on its own? Yes, in this video we will learn to do some smart tasks like this and WizBot's pro functions to draw some curved angles, shapes and so much more. So are you ready? Then let's get started. First, let's begin with some new types of turns you can do with WizBot. For that, I'm using a drawing sheet and I'll insert a sketch pen in the pen holder. Earlier, WizBot was only able to do 90-degree turns if you remember, right? Now, with the special turns, we can also do a 45-degree and a 30-degree turn. So let's get started. To make a 45-degree turn, press the forward and left or right button together. For example, if I want to turn 45-degree left, I will press forward and left together. And then let's press go and check. So that was 45-degree left. Similarly, if I want to do 45-degree right, what will be the code? Yes, it's forward and right turn together. Let me clear it. And let's press them together. Now go. Perfect. Now to make a 30-degree turn, press the reverse along with the direction which you want, left or right. So for a 30-degree right, we will press reverse and right button together. Now let's press go. Similarly, if I want to do 30-degree left, I will press reverse and left together. Go. Perfect. These small turns are useful for drawing smoother shapes like this star. Oh, and one more interesting function of WizBot. Do you know when you press this forward button for a long time like this, then it will make this sound, and when you press go, it will keep on moving forward forever. See, it's just never stopping. Next up, let's draw arcs with WizBot. So first, let's insert the sketch pen in pen holder. Then you can press left or right button, whichever direction you want to draw an arc. Remember to press the clear button first. Then, for example, if I want to draw a right arc, I will press right for 1 second. Then let's press go. See, such a beautiful arc. Now, also you can draw a longer arc. Let me show you. If I press this right button for a little longer time, like 3 seconds, then it will draw a bigger arc. Let's see. You will hear this buzzer for the longer arc. Now, let's press go. See, now this was the longer arc. This is great when you want to draw circles, spirals or natural shapes like cloud or waves. Let me draw a circle and show you. Let's wipe this. Let me place WizBot in center. Now, let's press clear. Now to draw the circle, can you guess what will be the code? Yes, I will press this right button for a smaller arc. One more time. One more time. And one more time. So I pressed it 4 times. Now let's press go and check it out. Wow, such a beautiful circle. So here's a challenge for you. Can you draw a heart using arcs with WizBot? Let's try. Place the WizBot at the starting point to draw the heart. First thing first, press the clear button to remove any previous commands. Now we will press forward twice to draw this line. Next, we will long press the right button to create a right arc. Twice. Then again, we have to turn left. Then again, right arc twice. Then to complete it, we will press forward twice again. Now we will press green go button and let's check it out. Wow, isn't that such a beautiful heart? Don't worry if your first heart is not picture perfect. Little wheel slips and battery voltage change can give little variations in your drawing. Just give WizBot a quick calibration tune-up and watch the new heart close to perfect. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features of WizBot. That is the repeat button, which is like a shortcut. It helps you to repeat the sequence of commands without pressing these buttons again and again. You can use it to draw different shapes like square, star, flowers, and so much more with anything repeated pattern. Let me show you how to do it. We will make a square using this repeat button. Let's get started. Step 1. Always remember to press the clear button. Why do we do that? To erase any previous commands. Then, step 2, we will press the repeat button once. This tells WizBot to start recording the sequence you want to repeat. Now we will add command to draw the square. So first, I will add forward, then right. After that, I will press the repeat button, the number of times we want to repeat. So for square, I'll press repeat 4 times because square has 4 sides. Did you notice how the sound changes with each press? That helps WizBot keep a count. Now we will insert the pen and then press go. Wow, you've drawn such a perfect square. It's time to explore very special button, the interrupt button. It works in 2 powerful ways: the line following and task interruption. So let's break it down. First, we will understand the line following feature. So now we will long press this interrupt button to activate this line following feature. Then WizBot will follow this black path as it sees. Thanks to its IR sensors, which detect these black strips by checking the reflected light on it. These black surfaces absorb the light and WizBot takes that as a signal to follow the line. So let's place the WizBot here. And then I will long press the interrupt button. You will hear this buzzer sound as an indication it's now in line following. Then we will press this go button. Wow, see how smart this looks. Superb. Now for the second one, let's understand the task interruption and its logic. It lets WizBot stop its main movement whenever it detects this black strip to perform an urgent task, and then it will return back to its main code. Think of it like tying your shoelace in middle of the run. Pause, fix, and continue. Let's try this by doing an interesting activity. So our task is that WizBot must deliver this medicine box to the hospital as they are falling short of it. We will place the WizBot over here. Oh, for this activity, we have to use this claw and attach to WizBot. Let me show you how to attach it. Start by gently folding the claw line on the crease lines. Now similarly do on the other side. Now your claw is ready to be attached. So make sure you align it with this LED holes over here. Then take a rubber band and loop it around. Now your claw is ready for the activity. Now we will place the WizBot over here and we will add our code. So first we will define the main code. Press the clear button as always. Then I will press forward twice. Then I want to press the interrupt button. Now it will do the urgent task. So now I will have to add the urgent task. We are telling the WizBot what to do when it sees this black line. So here I'll press left to turn left side towards the hospital and one more left. Then it will go back to its main code, forward twice again. Now press go and let WizBot complete the journey. It is following the path and turned when it detected the black line. It delivered the medicine and then continued. Wow, good job WizBot! And that's a wrap of this power-packed video. Today we explored turning tricks, repeat actions, some smart interruptions and also attached claw with WizBot. Keep experimenting and don't forget, your creativity is the real hero. I will see you in the next video where we'll learn picto coding in junior blocks. Till then, happy learning with WizBot Maxx.